Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how you can install Windows 11 on unsupported hardware. Here we are on our Windows 10 installation. We have just downloaded Windows 11 from the Microsoft site and we will start this setup exe. It's gonna do some preparations, make some updates and try to upgrade the system. However, since it is unsupported hardware, it will gonna fail miserably. Here it is checking for updates, and after that, unfortunately, it will pop up a message that states that this PC doesn't meet Windows 11 system requirements. Luckily, there are several methods in which Windows 11 can be installed on such systems. In this case, I will show you one of the ways. First, we need to extract all the contents from Windows 11. I'm using PayaZip and will extract with it. Enter the folder, go to sources, and we're looking for appraisers.dll. Scroll a little further and you will find it. Open it up, preferably with Notepad, since it is a text editor and we need to edit some text. Select it and press Ctrl plus F. It will open up a dialog and you will find TPM. Click next, and what we're gonna do is delete all the entries which state that they have TPM in it. We are looking for TPM and removing every single entry that states. Once it is done, we need to look for UAFI. Click on Find and delete the only entry which is in the text editor. Cannot find UEFI, we can close this window, save the changes, and proceed with the installation. Start the setup exe. This process will take a lot of time. I'm going to head up and speed the process so I do not bother you. Basically, this is the way. It is fairly easy, and just by editing appraisers.dll, the Windows 11 operating system can be installed on unsupported hardware. It's going to restart several times, do its thing, install everything. Yeah, this might take a few minutes, however in my case it took about an hour and a half. I don't know if it is unsupported hardware or it's just the way Microsoft designed it, but here it is. Standard Windows 11 installation which is ready to use on unsupported hardware. Thank you very much for watching. If you find this video useful, you can leave a like, comment and subscribe. I hope you have a pleasant day ahead, and I'll see you in the next video.